Hey John, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. Thank you for your patience in me getting back to you on getting a quote for your window cleaning. So I wanted to maybe fulfill this quick video to walk around your house. I can kind of talk a little bit about what I'm thinking, and after you watch this video, if you can get back to me and we can create a game plan as to what other services you like to do for us. We're not your typical window cleaning company. We specialize in exterior gentle detergent washing of your siding, brick, your shingles, and our window cleaning process is a bit different than most companies. We're going to do RODI water window cleaning with a water-fed pull, so we're not actually squeegeeing the glass, and with our process your windows will stay cleaner longer. So before, during, and after, as you can see, we use video to more effectively communicate with our clients. And I wanted to just talk a little bit about what I see and what you can do to preserve and maintain, extend the life of your roof and keep your property looking pretty. So from the street, you can see these black streaks starting to develop on your shingles. That's a sign that your shingles are starting to dry out a little bit, and maintenance is nearing. You really do need to do some maintenance to your roof. If you don't do anything, eventually this roof will dry up and you'll have to replace it sooner than it really needs to. And an example of that is on this corner here, on the corner of your house. You can see the shingles starting to lift up. The sun is not allowing the camera to show that very well, but there's some nail pops going on the corners of your edges of here. And if I was to do a full roof assessment on your property here, I would be able to show you some more things that we can do to tune up your roof. Any leak prone areas, do roof sealing, but your roof needs conditioning. We can clean those black algae streaks off. It's not necessary for you to replace your roof at this time. So enough about roof maintenance. There'll be a quick 1-minute video that I can text you if you're interested in that service. You can check that out. And when it comes to your windows, you have security screens. So in order for us to clean your windows, all of your screens need to be removed from the inside. So our outdoor window cleaning service, you can just have us come by and clean the glass, and you guys will pull the screens out, and then I can wash them for you if you'd like. And then after I'm done cleaning the glass, you guys can put them back in, or we can do all of that. I don't know how involved you want me to do all the services or what, but either way, we're here to help you in whichever your budget allows. So like I said, it might be a good idea to have us wash down maybe the front entryway of your home. We've got a lot of bird's nests developing. A little robin here. We can transplant his nest into a nearby tree if you'd like. He's sitting there chilling out. But along with that comes parasites, bugs, and I'm sure you don't want that in your house. Some more front entryway nasty bird's nests in here, spider webs, mold developing. So bird's not too happy with me. So what we can do is gently apply a cleaner to all the surfaces of your house, and the cleaner breaks down that dirt, mold, spider webs, bug guts, and then from there we use about 300 psi instead of 3500 psi. It's a very gentle, safe way to restore the outside of your house, especially before window cleaning. If you were to have me wash down your entire house, window frames and screens and everything, your windows stay cleaner way longer than if you were just to clean the glass. And you'll be happier with there's a lot of bugs nests throughout all the screens, and the sills are full of dirt. So I know you originally called for window cleaning, but I try to, if you're gonna go take your car for a car wash, let's get it done right. This is kind of like a full detail thing that I'm suggesting on your home, and whichever way you decide to proceed, down below is different a la carte packages in our services, and if you bundle or do more services all at once. It allows me to work more efficiently while I'm on your property. So we can pass that savings back on to you, and it's a bit better value. But I live in Beloit. I'm a home maintenance service company, that owner operator. I'm the guy that'll be doing all the work. So my best suggestion moving forward for your home is let's do a full property wash down on the roof, all the soffits, fascia, siding, window trim, screens, and then after we do the cleaning on the roof, we can do the tune-up conditioning treatment, and then finalize with washing your windows and then getting your screens installed. It's kind of our normal process for working at homeowners with big homes like this. They can be quite a bear to maintain and keep looking like new. So that's what we specialize in. This is all we do. We're not a handyman service. Exterior home maintenance is what we do. So sorry about the long video. Any questions about our service, don't hesitate to give me a call. You can reach me on my personal cell, 815-520-6020. Thanks so much. Look forward to working with you.